cleaning up the clock case on this clock. Like I said, this horn, the only place it fits is right in this area. It's supposed to go down in this area, but it won't fit unless I push down on this. And it being wood, I don't want to do that because it'll break it. And as you can see, this has never been broken. Like I said, I've tried it in all kinds of different spots, and the only spot it really fits is with the horn up on top. It should be right here. I could nail it right there, but as you can see, there's a gap because of the door frame. The only place it does fit is right here. No gap. With all the other Hunter's cuckoo clocks, the horn is down in the bottom. The mouthpiece is up on top. And it fits nicely around the dial. On all my other cuckoo Hunter's cuckoo clocks. And I do have quite a few of them. But this is the only clock where the horn is up on top and the mouthpiece is down on the bottom. And because it's always been like that, that is where I'm gonna put it. It's unique. I don't know why they made it that way. It's different. But that's where it's gonna go.